Vincent Skrzypczak.
Nuno Margalha. It's not easy at all.
Nuno Vincent.
Hello, we're here with Vicent, the CEO from Azurea in Portugal, and we are going to talk about what Azurea does in Portugal.
So the name is Azurea Unipessoal LDR.
Well, could you introduce yourself and tell us how you start working on Azurea?
Yeah, of course. So first of all, welcome to Azurea.
Thank you very much.
So I start to work in Azurea in Switzerland in 2013, and at the end of 2015, I went to Portugal to grow up with Azurea. We create Azurea in 2012. Why in Portugal? We have some reason. In Switzerland, it was difficult to find technician qualified in CNC turning machine. So it was usual to work also in Switzerland with Portuguese people. And so we decided to come in Portugal because we know there are a lot of skill technical, and we decided to create Azurea Unipessoal in 2012. So when we start, we hire CNC turning and milling technician, because after we have to give a lot of formation, because we work with a Swiss lathe machine, so it's very specific, high precision. We talk about the micron, you know. And also the aesthetic quality is very important.
Of course.
No dust, no scratch. And it was and continued to be a big challenge for us to give formation, because it's not in 2 weeks. We transform one technician CNC machine to specialize in watch CNC machine, you know. So normally after only 6 months, we have one technician able to be autonomous and made some parts. It's a big difficulty, and it's for that we try to continue to be attractive, you know, and keep our employees, because we give a lot of formation.
I understand. About formation, what's your background? You are an engineer?
In mechanical.
Micro-mechanical engineer?
Yeah, exactly. In France.
In France.
Yeah, and after I start directly to Azurea. Now 13 years old.
What was the first thing that attracted you to horology? Was it a coincidence?
So my engineer school is close to the Switzerland border. It's the name of the city. It's Besançon.
Besançon.
So it exists Pékinier, Lip also.
Of course.
And it's for that we have some contact with micromechanic, watch market. And I have one opportunity to work to Azurea. So Azurea, we are one industrial group founded in 1914. The headquarters is in Moutier.
Okay.
And Moutier, it's a city of Swiss lathe machine, great with Thomas. So we have one company with more or less 120 employees dedicated for watch industry. We have another company created in 1999, Azurea Gauge. You know, if you need to measure one hole.
Gauge, like.
Yeah, gauge, exactly, yeah. When it's impossible to measure with optical, you need to use gauge.
Okay.
At the beginning, it was integrated in Azurea Moutier because we need. So we create our gauge, and we have now 10 employees, and we deliver around the world. We have also another company that is more dedicated for medical device.
Okay.
It's Azurea also Microtechnique, and we have a last one created in 2023. It's Azurea Découpage. It's stamping.
Okay.
You know. Yeah.
Okay. So what does Azurea do in Portugal?
In Portugal, we have different family. We have axes with teeth or not. After we have bearings. After we have also a tige.
The tige, it's the name in Portuguese also.
We have a lot of different family. Arbre de barrier, roue à colonne.
Column wheel, yeah.
Yeah, exactly, column wheel. And after different type of raw material, we use brass, copper, steel.
Steel for the pivots and brass for the wheels, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
And what are the main technical challenges to to do this kind of companies?
So it's a mix because the technical, okay, we have the CNC machine, but for me it's more the challenge of formation, because we need to feel the microns and to explain, to show the precision we want, the aesthetic we want. That's for us it's a big challenge because it's not usual, even in front of the machine, because it's a very small part, you need to be careful. Any scratch, any dust, nothing.
Okay. So I believe that everything is automated.
So the main production, it's a CNC machine, Swiss-type machine. That we have 45 CNC Swiss-type machine.
Okay.
That we prepare during the morning, for example, and we produce all the day, all the night.
Okay.
We need stability. It's for that we have air conditioning, more or less for 1 degrees to be sure we have stability.
Tolerances to
Exactly, for the machine, for employees also. But after we have other type of operation. We have polishing, so milling department. If we have bigger parts or specific geometry parts, so we have to adapt. Roulage. Okay, roulage, it's like owning of the material. You need to get harder surface.
Oh, okay. The tempering.
Yeah, but it's by contact with hard metal, wheeling hard metal to reduce the dimension and the surface be harder also. And after we have one department also to make the teeth, the wheel.
Okay.
Not
the teeth.
not directly on the CNC machine. Sometimes it's not interesting to do that. We do another operation for that.
On legs, the turning machines.
Yeah.
Okay. So for everyone to understand, why is it difficult to order 10 pieces from you?
So what's difficult? So we have to, when we receive one drawing, we need to study, of course. We don't have our product. If the customer bring his drawing, his designs, everything. Exactly. And after, when we exchange with the customer, or to adapt, because we need to be sure
the measures are correct.
The measure will be correct, but also the functionality of the parts needs to be guaranteed.
Okay.
We study, we have engineering tools, very expensive tools. We need to prepare the machine.
The tips and...
we need to adapt the drawing. We need to make the production.
The preparation of the machine, it's
So
are there 5 minutes, right?
No. The preparation of the machine?
Yeah.
No. 2-3 days to prepare.
It's 3 days work to prepare a machine to do a series of parts, right?
Yeah, we have to, for example, for 10 parts, we need to spend 2 or 3 days to prepare the machine, start 10 parts, and that also is one cost.
Of course.
To finish the parts,
okay.
So.
Do you have a minimal amount of parts that you work with? It depends on the parts.
No. We don't have minimum. We don't have, but
the cost is higher if
it's proportional, of course. Yeah. With the price decrease, we have a equivalent. So if you want
to be a 10, the 12, if you want.
Yeah, because just for tools, sometimes just the tools for to make the teeth. That's
okay.
That is 2,000 euros.
Okay.
And we do nothing. We just order to the supplier, and we already spend. That's one possibility, but we spend before to produce. We spend a lot of money.
Okay.
To prepare.
So I believe that it's not possible to reveal the brand names that you work with.
Unfortunately, it's confidential.
Okay.
Of course. But we work in the market in the middle and high luxury brand.
So we've talked about what the Portuguese Institute does here in Portugal. Can you see somehow a way of collaborating between our two organizations. So we are a school, you know. But
Yeah, that today we are our skill is more technical. We don't.
you don't hire watchmakers, right?
Exactly.
It's machine operating
Yeah, exactly.
jobs.
It's for that we are in contact with a lot of professional school around Azurea and Maia. We have contact also with other company works in the watch industry because it's a network, of course. But today we are more looking for technical skills, knowledge. For example, same thing. Because we need to hire some technician, and for us it's very important to find this profile.
Okay. And how many employees do you take here?
So in this moment we have 50 employees.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are the challenges of working in Portugal? Is it easy? It's difficult to work in Portugal? What's your opinion on this?
No, when I arrived, it was a little bit different because I work with Portuguese people in Switzerland, and I arrived in Portugal to work with Portuguese people. But for me, it's easy every day to work with Portuguese people. For me, I don't have any problem. And for that, I work from 2016 there.
So we've covered most of what Spade does in Portugal, and so I bet that you like watches. So what are the watches that you like the most?
I'm French. Yeah, I'm French. It's
You
for
like
that.
Pekinese?
I have one Pekini.
Pekinese?
Exactly.
I
I have some
Bella
lip,
Sun.
yeah,
Yes.
also, but of course after un Marquillier, Zenith,
So to say.
yeah, that is Patek Philippe, famous brand, and I like mechanical. It's beautiful. After it's very expensive also,
Thank you very much for your time and for all of this information. We have a school with lots of very interesting students that really love watches and really love to know that some of the parts are made here.
If one day you want to come with a student to visit,
It's a student trip.
Yeah.
Okay.
okay,
Thank you very much for that topic. We
to visit because I think it's interesting. Because one thing is to be interesting by watch mechanical, but after to be how we made it, is different.
from the metal.
Yeah.
From the metal.
Yeah, from the bar.
The movement.
Yeah.
For the Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
It was very nice.
Yeah.
And see you around.